Okay, it's got the paint on it. We ultra fined it down. Been buffing on it. Got this door and this fender buffed. We got this door put back together. Fixing to start on that side over there. I think Drake's got it finished buffed. Let me go over here and look. We got the hood over here where we can buff on it. Got the bumper put together, got it buffed. Just got to put the lower panel on it. Got the fender and the door over here buffed. So we'll start putting it back together. Then we'll be ready to pull that dash out. It's got a blow bag, so you got to take the dash out and replace it on these 16 models. I don't know if you can see it here good enough, but it busts the dash when the bag blows. We've got a new shell over here. I'll show it to you. Right here is used shell. Come out of Anniston, I believe. Got the airbag in it. See, all that looks good. We just got to pull that whole dash out and put this one in. So let's get that driver's door put together, and then we'll be ready to start on this dash. One of the headlights, got it sanded and buffed, shined up. The other one around here somewhere. I don't know where he's hid it at, but it's all cleaned up, ready to bolt on. We started putting the front end back together. Realized we got to have the plastic piece of the header panel there. Right over here is the other headlight. It's all buffed up and untaped. You can see how good that headlight looks. I can't wait till we get them headlights on there and that hood on the front of it. It's gonna be a good looking truck. Okay, you can't see much in here because it's gonna be dark. But if we start taking this dash out to replace the airbags, popped off the side panel, the panel right here. I'm gonna take off this top panel. Justin's working on the side panels over there. Sound like he just broke it, but it's good. Got some screws up under the bottom. Got some screws here. When you get this off, you can kind of see them. And get the steering column drop down, the skin will drop off. So we're gonna work on that and see what happens. Okay, we got this thing all to pieces. We got the old dash and airbag out. Airbag still attached to it there. See where it's broke, where the airbag's blowed out. But we got the new one over here prepped, ready to go in. We'll be ready to start putting it in. Okay, the dash is back in. Got the passenger airbag in. Waiting on a clock spring here to replace this harness so we can put the steering wheel bag back in. Started putting the front end back on. Got the grill headlights in. Fixed to put the bumper on. Boy, that thing's looking good. Can't wait till we get that bumper on. Okay, here it is, the finished product. 2016 Chevrolet 4-wheel drive. Bought it hit in the front. Got the new front end on it. New headlights, new hood, new bumper. Got everything painted. Got the new airbags in it. Inside's cleaned up. Waiting on the inspector. Get it inspected. Be ready for sale. Everybody check us out on the next project, 256 Garage.